What's up, online shoppers? It's Michelle here with an honest review about this really cool little karaoke machine. It's all contained in a handy little microphone, and it's got this really great display case. There's a carabiner for easily hanging onto it and a nice zipper to present everything really well. So we're going to open up the case. We see that there is a user's manual, and what I like about the user's manual is there are pictures. The pictures illustrate, and there's also a troubleshooting guide. So the case also holds the charging cord right here, and it also holds an audio cable so you can connect it to a computer or something else that's got that kind of a connection to bring the music in. Now, here's the microphone. You can see the size of it. This one here is in the rose gold color, but it has lots of different color choices. When I look on the box, you can see that they have all these different colors right here. So here it is. We're going to press this button right here to turn it on. And when you do that, you'll see that there's an indicator light that's going to flash here. It makes a little noise, and when it flashes like that, it's looking to pair with another device. So the great thing about this microphone is that you can just connect to any music app on your phone, and it's going to project the music through the speaker. You can control the volumes here, and the mode. You can also pause and rewind with those controls. This was a Christmas gift for my two nieces, and it was an absolute hit. I actually ended up buying a second one in a different color because they both wanted to be able to sing out their favorite songs at the top of their lungs. I found that you get between 5 and 8 hours of charge with this great little microphone, and it's awesome because basically it's a full night of entertainment. The other cool thing is this isn't just a kid's toy. It's a ton of fun at grown-up parties when you want to have karaoke sing-offs. Now, I found that the microphone performed best on Bluetooth as long as you stayed within about 8 meters of wherever your Bluetooth connected device is. Not only that, the microphone will double as a wireless speaker, and it will allow you to record your voice. You can sing into the mic, and it's going to record right into your phone. This microphone comes with this nice case for keeping everything safe, and all of the attachments and accessories go in there as well. The box is really cool as well. It makes it look extra special when you gift it. Now, I read some reviews before picking this one, and I have to tell you, all of the reviews were positive. It's versatile, it's a great gift for anyone, not just kids. And if you want to spice up your house party or just give your kids hours of entertainment, I highly recommend this excellent little karaoke mic.